Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee, and you already know on the ones and twos. The ones and twos. How y'all doing, honey buns? Happy Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. So guess what I got today? Tacos. This right here is tomatoes. I love, like I told y'all before, I love veggies. Like I got tomatoes, cilantro, jalapenos, and I didn't put no hot sauce because I do have the jalapenos and I don't know how spicy they are, so I don't want to overdo it. But yes, y'all, so I'm gonna say my grace and then I'm gonna get it in. God is good, God is great. Thank you for our food. May we have many, many more. Amen. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday once again. How y'all doing? What y'all got planned for today? Are y'all gonna eat some tacos? What kind of tacos y'all gonna eat on? I skipped dinner last night again, so I'm hungry. And I brought a lot of napkins this time. What y'all doing today, guys? What y'all got planned for today? By the time this video come out, probably nighttime, so y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all do today. And I put a little bit tahini. Too much. Sorry. I got cheese at the bottom. Got some agua. It's nothing like some cold ass water, y'all. Oh, look, y'all. I got it on. Can y'all see? It's a Morganite stone. And when we went ring shopping, like, I think I want to say earlier in the year, like the beginning of the year, we went ring shopping, and I was looking at all the different alternatives and stuff, and I knew for me personally, diamonds was just not gonna be it. I didn't want a diamond. I don't want a diamond. Not saying that diamonds are not beautiful. They are, but me, I don't want to walk around with a diamond on my finger. Just, I didn't want to. So I don't remember how I found out about Morganite. I can't remember if it was I think at K Jewelers, the salesman, I was like, well, is there any other alternatives to diamonds? Because I don't want a diamond. And he was like, oh, definitely. So he was showing me all different like things, all different kind of gemstones. And I can't remember if he's the one that told me about morganite or if I had just Googled it or something. And so morganite is a gemstone. It has like a pinkish tint to it. It's beautiful. And a fraction of the cost. Because my stone here is equivalent to about 2 carats. 2 carats of a diamond. But morganite is not I guess weighed in carats. It's more dimensions. Like my stone is an 8x8. Ooh, them jalapenos spicy. And they're so juicy because I put a lot of lime. So yeah, so I wanted to go with morganite because it's more affordable, and the color of it, I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. And it looks real good with the rose gold band. So it's like the ring I wanted. It's everything I wanted in a ring for a fraction of the cost. How was y'all weekend? What y'all do over the weekend? Saturday we didn't do nothing. Sunday I went to my dad's house. I cooked fajitas and some chicken wings. Who's the grill master? This guy. They were really good, but I feel like me personally, I feel like I overcooked them, but everybody was saying they were bomb, so I get a pat on the back. And I'm actually eating leftovers. I made these last night because my niece wanted them. Because I originally planned on making, my daughter's been bugging the mess out of me to make her some seafood Alfredo. And so I like to use the Prego Alfredo sauce. And we went to like 3 stores and nobody had it. No, we went to 4 stores. We went to 4 grocery stores and nobody had it. So today I'm gonna go to Kroger's and see if they got it. They had the I think it's with the Ragu brand Alfredo. I've never tried theirs. I don't think I have. I always get Prego. I like Prego. Their marinara and their Alfredo is bomb. Excuse me. Excuse me. Did y'all watch the new Dave Chappelle stand-up? It's really not a comedy. It's more like educational, informational. Like, I guess stand-up, if that's what you would call it. It was good though. I liked it. He had a couple of little punchlines in there, but it was good. And then I also watched the trials of Gabriel Fernandez. It was heartbreaking. I just couldn't believe it. But that's the America we live in. I ain't gonna lie. The justice system is corrupt and it's effed up. And I know that firsthand. I know that firsthand. I've been through some things in my life, and the justice system failed me. It failed me. It is what it is. At the end of the day, I bounced back from what I was going through, and I thank it all to the good man above, because if it wasn't for the good Lord, things could have been totally different. Where I'm just so thankful and grateful that I do have God on my side. That's my justice system, God. I'm getting full, y'all. I'm gonna try to finish this one here. It was jumbo size tacos. Another thing that really bothered me was my kids, my oldest, I started with my oldest daughter. You know, she's on social media. She got Instagram and Snapchat, so she see what go on in the world. And so she seen the thing about the George Floyd, and she started asking me questions like, well, what do you think? How do you feel about it? Are you scared for us? Because my daughters are mixed, all three of them. And she was like, are you scared for us? I'm like, of course. Any parent is scared of their child going out into real world, regardless of their race. But having a mixed child and having a child that is considered a minority is even scarier. And so, you know, I told her how I felt about it, and I tell her all the time, like, because I know this is kind of messed up, but like I said, the justice system has failed me many times. And so me and my children don't F with the police. We don't like the laws. We don't like getting the laws involved in our business. We don't like getting them white people involved in our business. We like to keep it between us, and we like to resolve our own issues and conflicts. And it's because, like I said, past situations where the system was no help, where police was no help, you know. And so I tell her, like, You get pulled over, this is what you do, this is what you don't do, you know, regardless of how you feel about authority. And they are not always right, but at the end of the day, they are authority, and it is, how can I say, we have to respect it. You know what I'm saying? If I get pulled over and I get asked to put my hands on the steering wheel, I get asked to put my hands out, or this, that, and the other, I have to do as they say. I remember one time, my brother, I used to ride around in my brother's Cadillac, and I was hanging out with a group of friends, and all of us minorities, you know, mixed, Hispanic, Black. And out of nowhere, I got pulled over, and they tore my brother's car up, searching it. Like, they didn't ask him those questions. They just told us automatically, as soon as we pulled us over, get out the car, sit over here, and don't move. And I kept asking the officer, I was like, well, what is the problem? Like, why did you pull me over? And they just completely ignored me. They ignored me. They tore the car up, and then after that, they said, okay, you're free to go. And I asked them again before they left. I'm like, why did y'all pull me over? And he didn't say nothing. He walked away. And it's messed up. And, you know, and it's been more than one situation like that, you know, where I got pulled over and got harassed by police and asked 1,000,001 questions, you know. And like I said, it is what it is. And my mom was a victim of police brutality. She was beaten by 2 police officers, male police officers, and they ended up breaking her arm. And I remember I was a little girl walking home from school, and I seen it with my own 2 eyes. And my mom was just like shaking her hand like, go, run home. And I remember being so scared, so scared. And my mom, she ended up trying to file a lawsuit against them, you know, for harassment and for breaking her arm. You know, she was unable to go to work and stuff like that. And I remember she wanted me to testify, and I was just so scared, and I didn't do it, because I was like, well, what if I get beat for telling on the police? You know, me being a little girl, I was maybe like no more than 9 years old, and it's traumatizing. Even when I retell the story to my children, it's traumatizing. It really is. And I mean, police brutality has no gender, no race attached to it. Like, it happens to everybody, but more so, I do agree, it happens more so to Black people. You know, even me and my fiance, if I say boyfriend, he gonna kick my behind. Me and my fiance got pulled over one time, and the lawman told him, only him, to put his hands on the steering wheel, stay calm, don't move. The lawman didn't even acknowledge me. He didn't even care if I was in the car or not. He was just more so worried about my fiance. Just put your hands on the steering wheel, don't move, this, that, and the other, I'm gonna run your name, yada, 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 yada. And so yeah, I mean, so I told my kids how they felt. And my youngest daughter, that's what hurt me, when she was like, you know, oh my gosh, I'm scared. Like, what if I go outside and they just kill me? And I was just like, oh my God, as a parent, how do you make your child feel secure to go out into the real world? And so I just held her, and I'm like, look, as long as you're with mommy, like, I'm not gonna let nothing happen to you. Like, you're okay. You have nothing to worry about, you know? But, so that's how I feel about it, you know? It's just messed up, you know? And all I do is just pray for the best. All right, y'all. Today, I don't know if I told y'all or not what I was gonna do today. Today I'm gonna go drop my niece off back home. She stayed with us over the weekend. I'm gonna drop her back off home today, and then I'm gonna go to my dad's house. The kids can see him, and then I gotta go pick my dude up from work, and then come back home and chill. That's pretty much it. I had to take him to work today because there's something wrong with his truck. So he doesn't want to drive it. He wants to wait until after he get it fixed. So that's it. That's all we're doing today. I don't know if y'all know who Bad Nana is on YouTube and Instagram. She's this young chick. She does like vlogs and stuff. And she does this vlog where it's called A Week in My Life, where she like records for a week. She vlogs for a week, little snippets here and there, and then puts it out. I'm thinking if I want to do that or not. I don't know, because my life is boring. I don't do nothing fun, y'all. So I don't know. If I do, y'all see it. Y'all will see it because I will put it out. Y'all, I think this is gonna be it. I think I'm skipping dinner tonight again. That was a big lunch. I'm gonna be full till I'm good till tomorrow. Yeah, I'm good till tomorrow. Well, y'all, yeah, let me know down in the comments how you feel, how y'all feel about what's going on in the world right now. I like to get everybody's perspective. I love having, like, you know, talks like that, like with my fiance. Like, I love having talks like that about what's going on in the world, different, our views on different things, like intellectual type conversations. I love that. Because it's like you get to learn so much, because it's a lot of things that he knows about that I don't know, and there's a lot of things that I may know about that he doesn't know, and so it's like we learn from each other, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like reading a book. Once again, y'all, your girly killed the plate. Click the click. And once again, I'm stuffed like a taco. Literally. All right, y'all. This is the end of the road. The end of the road. And I can't let go. I don't know if that's how the lyrics go on that. That's a jam though. But yeah, that's what I do, y'all. When I'm full, I just start random-ish. Just random-ish. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, y'all, how you feeling, what y'all got going on, what y'all do today. Let me know how y'all feel about everything that's going on in the world. You know, go ahead, get in the comments, vent, let it all out, vent. Let's just go on a rant. I'm here to listen. I'm here to listen, y'all. I'm a good listener. Judge-free zone. I don't judge. None of that. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Your girl is getting greasy, shining bright like a diamond right now. Look at that, shining bright like a diamond, girl. But this is the end of the video, y'all. Thank you for rocking with me. If you stay to the end, if you are watching this right here right now, drop me 3 taco emojis for your girl's 3 tacos that she demolished today. Love you all. Thank you for watching. See you until the next time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I always forget to say that, but make sure you do that. And see you until next time. Love y'all. Peace.